So you hear us talk a lot about the factory invoice. What exactly is the factory invoice? The factory invoice is the actual piece of paper that lists all of the equipment that comes from the manufacturer, including the list price and what we truly pay for it. So our idea is we'll show you what we pay for the vehicle and you can decide what you think a fair deal is.
So what we have here is a true factory invoice that comes from Ford. It shows you exactly what we paid for the vehicle and all the options broken down and their prices as well. We like to do things a little bit differently here and show you this so you can make your own price or what you think is fair. So as you see here, this is the MSRP, which is the manufacturer's suggested retail price. That's where you go to any lot, they're going to tell you this is what they'll sell their vehicle for. Right next to it is the factory invoice, which is the invoice pricing, what we paid for it from Ford. Ford also offers some other options to help out employees of Ford, family members of Ford employees, so on and so forth. Down here is our D plan, which is actually employees of the dealership. So if you worked here at Todd Judy and you wanted to buy a new vehicle, you would get it at this D plan pricing. Moving over, this is the X plan, which a lot of people here in West Virginia do qualify for. If you work for a company that has Ford fleet vehicles, you will get this X plan pricing, which is actually, right there in line with what we paid for the vehicle. Now, if you want to come down and see any of these factory invoices, pick out a vehicle that you like, we'd be more than happy to show you it. Go over it just like I did in person. You can also go online at toddjudyford.com or give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out.